Want everybody to meet Jake Jacobson. This is my man who is an insurance broker. He insures everything that I own. What I really like about him is he's a broker. So he's got access to all the top insurance companies in town. So if anybody's looking for a new quote or what we're going to talk about today, if you've been dropped on insurance, he'd be a great person to contact. But today what I really want to talk about, Jake, is, we're a month or two away from fire season. We have had our almost record low snowfall up until like the past week.
Yep.
And everything that's just happened in California with homes burning to the ground. What are some things people should be looking at on their insurance policy or asking their insurance broker to make sure that they're properly insured in case if we have a California here and major wildfires?
So I think that the most important thing for folks that own homes in Flagstaff is that they make sure their dwelling coverage, talk to your agent, your broker, is adequate to rebuild their home. There were many folks in the tunnel fire that were not covered properly. They didn't have enough money to rebuild their home, so they had to rebuild a smaller home or not rebuild at all.
People tend to think insurance is something different, but also the cost of construction has gone through the roof as well.
Mm-hmm.
So if it were a worst case scenario and your house burned to the ground, if you don't have enough coverage, you can't rebuild your house.
Right.
There really isn't that much of a cost difference to get the appropriate coverage, is there?
There's not much,
Yeah.
Not at all. Now, I think that a lot of the carriers actually are underestimating up here because it's way more expensive than the Valley, and I think they kind of lump together the rebuild costs in Arizona.
When people are coming up for renewal, they're just getting a letter in the mail stating that their insurance company is not renewing them.
Yeah.
Anything you can touch on with that?
In the event that you're non-renewed, you receive that notice, you're shocked, please reach out to Steven or myself, and I'll do anything I can to try and help out your situation.
Yeah, Jake's helped out quite a few of our clients that got dropped that was able to find additional coverage for them. And it's not the end of the world if it happens. There's going to be a fix out there somewhere. If you have any questions, get in touch with me. I'm going to put Jake's info down below to use him as an additional option for insurance in the Flagstaff area. And as always, give us a like. Feel free to follow us on all of our social platforms, and we'll make sure to bring you more content like this. Thanks, Jake.
Thank you, Steven. I appreciate it.